Welcome to the live stream, everybody. I think you guys can hear me now. Let me just do rest of the connection. My coding panel. I have to remove this one here. Mm, Indicator is good, but I would love to see these vertical lines more extended, like all over the screen, not like only this much or something like that. But overall, it's good. It's good. It's nice. I want to see these lines all over the screen, like uh, should I can do. Oh, bro, how can I do? Do we even have dark code? Vertical line, solid. This I am more interested on dotted. This is width. This is width. The thickness of this. I want this to full length. Yes, sir. That's now it's looking good. Let's see and remove this. Then control V. Now we are good. Let me have my coffee first. What do we have today? Today is very important because very interesting. Like if you see the weekly is set its low from a key level, which is our this favorable gap what we have here. So we are delivering from this favorable gap. Okay, and look at the S&P. It's not really a good wick to make it a good expansion candle. So what I'm expecting is the today Friday might be coming back to the weekly opening price. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. Look at this. This is our weekly, and we might come back to this weekly and chop around here because this is a indecision candle, like a big wick candle, what we had like yesterday, which is chop we got stopped out on. Expecting something like that, but all these news and all the stuff can affect because Trump just now announced that Iran accepted some negotiations. Iran and US had a deal, something like that. So market might push higher as well when that can happen. Not sure, but looking at it technically, I do feel that we can come back to the opening price of the week. Am I audible, guys? Is my voice clear? Where is? Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your Discord. Let me just go live on Discord as well. Switch for people. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see everything in Discord correctly. Guys should also hear, listen. Yeah, that's nice. All set. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me just clear that shit. Yeah, I can hide projection. I know, but I don't want to hide it. Let it be there. Let it be there. In my previous indicator, I was struggling with projections, so I want to test it there. Let it be. Let it be, bro. So Friday today, it's very important actually. We have a SpaceX IPO launching, so even that can affect like we might push higher. That's a good news though. So when we can push higher there as well. SpaceX is launching their IPO. Very important day. Space is launching their IPO, and we are having all of this stuff going on, like all of these whatever uh, जो भी हो रहा है वॉर वगैरह इसका भी न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं सब कुछ हो रहा है तो I really wanted to see this change in set of delivery hold 6 hour 6 hour 6 hour open 8:13 8:13 क्या है यहाँ पे क्या है 29813 पे क्या है कुछ नहीं है भाई कुछ नहीं है भाई look at this 9:30 open now we are gonna just flush lower वाइम के साथ SMT था क्या this is nice we are having good SMT indicator here as well inside of this so pretty nice 3 minute 30 minute 30 minute 30 minute oh NQ के साथ PSP2 even that's nice bro but there's no SMT with the NQ how is this saying that SMT with NQ and SMP let me check minis oh we do have SMC with in minis, but not in micros. Shit, bro. Shit. This is shit. Like, look at this. How is this possible? Cool. When are they gonna launch SpaceX IPO, bro? What's much special about that? Like everyone are waiting for that. So I'm really excited to see how it's gonna affect market. What are we going to see? What are we going to see? Honestly, I do really want you to push lower till the week opening. Where it is here. How is why I'm looking? We are having two stage in YM. No, bro, this is not open source. This is private. I what I use, but the one which I use, like PSP indicators, are not open source. I had another one PSP which I used to use before, but not now. I just manually mark it out, but one of my subscribers is saying that this indicator is good for PSPs. So hopefully this will work. Um, in YM we are inside of this fair value gap. Can't push higher because we have this SMT with ES. You see, oh, not that SMT actually. We had something here. We don't have any SMT there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll test it. I'm not gonna rely on this now like entirely. Definitely test it. 10 people watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, buddy. Subscribe. We'll wait. रुकना पड़ेगा पशा थोड़ा और बताओ क्या सीन we're having this SMT with YM it's saying but let me check once I have to test it I'm using it for first time so Yes, sir. We are having that SMT. Hmm. So what's going on? What's going on, guys? अरे 10 से 6 लोग हो गए क्या? एक छो Uh-oh, what was this? What the fuck was this? Uh-oh. Yeah, this is pushing hard though. So London Lewis. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing, bro. NQ buy or sell? Nothing. I'm not doing anything right now. So I'll just sit and watch, wait for a setup. Then I can say whether we should buy or sell. I can't say right now. That's possible. We'll wait. We got this consolidation here. Might come back to this consolidation because this is a weekly open which I marked here. If you see here, this is a week open. So we might come back to the week open because we expanded nowhere. Look at this. This is not a weekly expansion. What we supposed to get? Look at this. Expanded, came back, went below the opening price, tried to expand, detect this high. We had a SMT with YM here, and we are just again dropping back lower. So I think we can, come back to the opening price again. And, the weekly candle will be some kind of negative condition with a larger wick and smaller body. London lows are about to get taken here. Nikkei is flushing hard. Markets can obviously be volatile because of SpaceX IPO. He has cleared these lows. Like these it should be flush a little bit more lower. I feel because I don't want it to see leaving these equal lows. इक्वल लॉस नहीं चाहिए भैया भैया इक्वल लॉस नहीं चाहिए भैया very good thing. Maybe when is a SpaceX launch, bro? What's the timing? 9:50. What's the time? Yeah, I mean another 5 minutes. We are having IPO launch 9:50. So there'll be a little bit of more volatility. Like you guys, we might get to see थोड़ा volatile हो सकता है वो टाइम पे देखना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए नो रश विल वेट रुकेंगे देखते हैं रुकेंगे थोड़ा. Another 5 minutes. We might just fucking flush to the weekly open in one run. Yes. Let's look at the other assets still. This thing is happening in there. So coming to the gold and silver, we were just dumped hard here. This. Okay, 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 buddy. Got it. Two runs. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Got it. And oh, height. Okay, it's bro. Other assets are kind of confusing with this gap here. If it's weekly looking, we can anticipate something on weekly. The silver is not yet taken this low in weekly, but do we have? Oh, so we might be still bullish in here. These lows, or this might be a range bound, or this might be a range bound. I want to see how SpaceX IPO is gonna do. Like we might shoot up again. Let's see. I'll wait till 10 a.m. 10 a.m. open, guys. I'm not gonna rush today. on this 10-minute gap here. Bro, I was just scrolling through the YouTube and I saw that there's Trump makes a huge announcement on Iran. All this shit is going on, bro. Like five AI and space names joined the Nasdaq. SpaceX, obviously. Look at here. We almost came back to the opening price, as I said, in S&P, almost there. And we are also like very near. Like, I think obviously we can go there, but as we expected, we are gonna just move around this opening price of weekly. This is the opening price. This is the opening price, okay? We opened, went higher. If we are bearish, we would have just flushed lower, but we didn't do that. So we set a low here with this SMT and pushed higher. We didn't even take this high now. We have this SMT and we are just coming back. So this is moving in this same exact range. This range. This is not a weekly range. We should get a much more better price action. Like we should have a good one directional run because that's a weekly, bro. We should be covering some good stuff. Like if you see this, look at here. We opened somewhere here. We dumped, and this is a range. What we call like this is actually expansion, not this. Because look at these wicks. Those are very large. Those this not gonna support expansion, and we are not going to expand on a single day like Friday. The whole week went on chop, and how can we expect expansion on the single day? No, bro, it's not gonna happen until there's nothing something big coming out. So we'll just spend more time in here itself. That's what I think. What about daily? Well, here even daily is moving nowhere. So if you look at it, we open the daily here, and we are just moving around this area. No, bro, nothing there, nothing there. Your 9:30, I think your 9:30 is so silent. Like this is not how the 9:30 should be. I don't see anything right now. I just chopping. We clear the London lows though. Wait, wait, wait. No rush. At this we had a good expansion in S&P, and we literally reached that weekly open. Let me mark out that weekly open in S&P as well. That which after the weekly open. It's happening in gold. We are just in a range in gold. We are not coming out of this range, I think. I'm not interested if it's not coming out of this range. Not interested at all. No. What about oil? Let me just do this, bro. Got it. Full height. So Titanium, I think titanium can pop up here to these equal highs. So how am I gonna log it out? Log out. Let me keep my accounts logging. We are 10 a.m. opening right now. 10 a open. Now we'll get a little bit of volatility here. Exactly. Because of SpaceX IP, obviously, we are gonna just pump higher maybe to these equal highs up here. We have this 3 minute fair value gap. Reach to the weekly open in years. We are just starting to pump higher. That's nice. No, bro, it is. It's actually a good news if space and techs are entering. We also have this SMT down here. We get this long coming in. Okay, we are just trying to get this. Let's try to get this on this fair value gap. If it comes back, it should come back, hopefully, but we're getting tap in here in S&P, but I don't know, like if you're gonna get that tap, are we gonna get like drag push higher? I don't know. If we get this inversion, we are gonna just pump higher. We don't get that tap again. That's a problem there. What the fuck? We missed it. We missed it. Oh fuck it. If we miss it, we miss it, bro. If we miss it, we miss it. We do have these equal highs, beautiful liquidity up here. We can run that anything like we need a little bit of pullback at least to go to those highs. At least to rebalancing this 3 minute. We should come back and rebalance this. Bring it 15 minute. We do have this small fair value gap in 15 minute as well, but we have to wait for another 10 minutes for 15 minute fair value gap. That's a bit tricky part. We cleared the small equalize up here. Too bad. Gonna try this if it comes back and taps or if it leaves a gap, but only if we get that change state of delivery. Okay, we are going to try this one on the limits, not on the market. What's up? I don't know. It didn't even retrace 2 to 3 points. It didn't even retrace that 2 to 3 points, and I don't want to chase. I don't want to chase it. I let it do its thing. Look at this low resistance, beautiful low resistance liquidity, bro. I think I'm gonna miss a lot of trades today. If I would have market executed here, I would have caught it in a one single candle up there. But I let it do its thing. I'm not gonna just do a beautiful equal highs up here. I don't want it to take it in a just fucking one single candle, bro. Without retracement. That's bad. Okay, we can try on this gap as well. On the bodies, stops in the bodies. Yeah, two are from here. Let's getting it on two. This is it. This is it, guys. I need at least this much retracement. We had a good gap here. If we can have that much at least. So if we are not getting that, and then I'm not gonna chase it. I'm gonna just let it run. So let it do its thing. Let it do its fucking thing. ES is giving us a beautiful taps. Look at that. Look at that. ES is giving us very beautiful tabs, but NQ, hell no, bro. Crazy shit. Crazy shit. Look at this beautiful resistance liquidity up there. But I don't want to chase. Like, I don't even want to take this on this chain, this setup delivery because there is no swing point out down here. There's no swing formation down here. That's like that's scary. That's dangerous to do. Other 5 minutes. This is shit. This is shit. I can't take this on this big retracement. I'll wait for another confirmation after that. We got this in S&P. Got that inversion there. Might come back and rebalance it and push higher. A beautiful push, bro. What a beautiful push. I'm gonna wait. But these highs are looking so good, not gonna lie. I don't want those highs to be, those highs to clear without giving any retracement. How much time do we have for 15-minute close? Another 2 minutes. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. We are also gonna get tapped instead of this 3 minute fair value gap. We also got the tap in ES. Now we need more confirmation to push it higher. 3 minute tap there. Let's wait. Let's wait for confirmation. Yeah, but these highs are beautiful, guys. We'll wait for 15-minute closure. Another 2 minutes. So we are inversing this already. Like we are about to inverse this already. So we'll wait. If S&P inverses this, then I think I'm gonna just have to just wait. Look up there. I'm just checking out, guys, how much contracts. Okay, that works. Fifteen-minute open. We might also get a comeback and tap to that 15-minute change instead of delivery, creating this current 15-minute low. But the way it's pushing higher, I don't think so. We'll just get that. I'm gonna market it, market execution on this closure of that inversion. But see there, oh, not buy, put our sell limit. See our setup. 2R. Yeah, let it run now. Let me see if we can catch that equal highs up there. Another 5 minutes to get that inversion. Okay, sir, we got that. We get that. What the hell was that? Very done. 45, 50 points move. 50 points moved. How about low resistance liquidity, beautiful low resistance liquidity, equal highs up there, everything is good. We also had this inversion, everything's looking beautiful. Only thing is we need to get a pop up here. There's no point of it to reversing back. 5 minute change instead of delivery. Where is that? I don't know, bro. Honestly, this thing I would have not taken that because I will definitely wait for uh, 10 a.m. open. I sold it, came back, tapped into this change instead of delivery. Now we should push higher. Want to see push lower. Okay, we even got that 3 minute tap, 3 minute change instead of delivery tap. Let it run. We go break even on those equal highs up there at 661. Oh fuck. Hello sir, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, I'm a good push though. I'm expecting good push from here. So guys, let me tell you guys something. If you get this change state of delivery, I'm gonna move my stop below this low. What the hell? As soon as we enter, the market wants to reverse from there. What the fuck is this? As soon as we enter, market wants to reverse from there. Hell no, bro. Now it's wanna push higher. Now it wants to push higher. So it's on that. That's okay. 236. That's fine. It's not a big deal. Now we'll wait for that 15-minute tap. The 15-minute tap to get, like, we need a tap on this 15-minute. Yeah, we got the tap. Let's swing. Yeah. This is the last line of sand which can hold it and push higher. If that doesn't, then just wait. Okay, we are having this SMT. We're having that SMT in YM, and we're also having this tab. So we should get a push higher because we even have SMT with ES. Let's see. Yeah, it's going well. It's going nice. Nothing wrong, bro. Like how many, how much time we do have? We do have 33 minutes for 15-minute closure. I think we should wait for 15-minute closure. SMT indicator, this is like everything inside of this indicator, bro. Join my Discord. My another subscriber will post it there. You guys can share in community. Wait for a 15-minute closure. Yeah, I can't say anything. We need to. That's a good inversion if you get that, but I think it's better to wait for 15-minute closure. Now, 15-minute open. So we close in another 30 seconds. We might just push higher for next 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now I'm much more interested in ES, bro. Not gonna lie. I'm much more interested in ES. Not gonna lie. Velvet here. Come on, bro, give us a tap. Okay. For the tap, that inversion in SMP. Should push higher. But the only mistake would, my mistake would be here is this 15-minute fair value gap. We haven't yet tapped there, and I just rushed a little bit. But this is a strength switch I saw here. That's the reason I thought that I should be taking this trade. But this inversion, this is empty. Okay. I'll wait for this to take out, and then might think of doing something. I'll wait for this to take out. At least any of these assets to, you know, come and tap. At least any of these assets to come and tap. But if NQ comes and taps to this low, this clears this low, then that should be nice. Like we are gonna get two stage and then we'll push higher. I think this inverted is holding sharp negative 3 minutes. I really want NQ to take this low. And yes to not, so that we can get this two stage and then we push higher. We haven't yet taken that. So what I am doing, I mean, it's kind of shit, bro. Let's focus on NQ. NQ, come on, buddy. Give us a 15-minute tap. Didn't get that tap here as well. I know we are not, I'm not interested in leaving these. Okay, we'll market it. Yeah, that changes it up delivery. Ah, not yet. Well, in NQ we did get that. Well, in NQ to take a trade, we have to have this inversion to take that trade, or else these low is not get protected low if you don't get this inversion. Hell no, bro. What the fuck? What was this now? Higher ahead of SpaceX IPO. US stock edge higher ahead of SpaceX IPO. How is this gonna affect? Bro, this SMT indicator is inside of this indicator. This SMT is this indicator actually. This is not, I don't have this indicator. This is PO3, something like this, PO3V, something like this. You can search it. If you get it, then that's so cool. Because one of my subscriber gave it to me, so I don't know much about it. You can ask him or ask him to post it in Discord, join there, get in touch with him, and take it from there. You know, that's better. You guys can do that. Yeah, no worries. I don't know if it wants to come back to if NK wants to come back and check that 15-minute low because ES is bit stronger here. PO3 V or something like this. Do I even have it in? I don't have it in favorites, but it's something like this. Where is that? This one. RJ, something like this. That's a indicator. Let me market it here. Uh, uh, Okay, we are in. My stops below this. Okay, that's, oh no, that's not a risk. It's a risk on this for 200. Yes, it's stronger here. That's the confidence I'm having to, that you can push higher on this. And we also have this have this inversion. So I think we should be cool. Clear that low. Thank you. Fuck, bro. See, now we have a two stage. This is actual two stage what we got. Now we are having two stage with this previous 15 minute. Fuck 700. That's fine. We time we left with 2 minutes to close this current 15-minute candle. Turn it off. What should I turn off? Bro, there is no script, bro. Look at this. The script is private. We can't just copy it. The script is private, actually. Okay, sir, we are consolidated here. Whether we had a good liquidity up there in both assets, we are not pushing really higher. Came back. Got a tap on this 5 minute. Now this is the last line of sign. If this didn't pump higher, then there's nothing to, from where it can be pumped higher. So look at a 5 minute, so 15 minute, still shit. 3 minute changes it up delivery. We're on a discount. We should push higher. Oh, you do have a script. If anyone wants the script, just DM that guy in chat, guys. अभी थोड़ा what's DM? Bro, the best thing, just join to the server. Both of you guys join the server and then communicate over there. That's the best thing that you guys can do because if left on you, if you guys want to share personal IDs or anything, you guys can do that as well. But just saying, we got this low resistance here, this inversion coming. Bro, if it's paid, just don't touch it, bro. Don't touch it, bro. If it's paid, don't touch it. I'm telling you guys, please don't get scammed by people. If it's paid, just don't touch it. Okay, last one for the day, guys. Have this beautiful resistance down here, which I'm expecting it to push lower. Bro, don't pay for a indicator, bro. It's not worth it. You'll get it. You'll get a lot of indicators for free. Don't get. Don't pay for indicators at least. For people are struggling to buy accounts in here, and some guys setting some indicators. But don't get scammed on that. Like, uh, bro, if you have a script, if you wanna give it for free because we all are doing it some other things for free. So if you wanna sell, then please, like, it's left on you anyways. Like, people, if anyone wanna buy it, please go and buy it. But I don't suggest for you guys to buy a indicator. You know, not at least on which you like you're gonna get free for anyhow you're gonna get free. So I don't think so. It's worth of buying an indicator. We inverted that fair value gap. We do have a low resistance liquidity down there. Everything is looking perfect. Now we should push lower. Hopefully, come on and give me hell now. Don't do this. What the fuck, bro? Why this shit is happening to me these days? Yeah, this will last trade. I'll leave it anyways. But let them do their thing, bro. If anyone wants to buy, you guys can go and buy. I'm not suggesting here to buy or sell someone. This is a live stream. It's free. Don't get scammed by people. You'll get a free scripts everywhere in the internet. Oh yeah, hell nah, bro. Fuck today. Fuck Friday. Yeah, for Friday and fuck Friday. It's done. I lost. What the fuck is this? What, bro? How the fuck can we get a one single 1 minute candle like this? Bro, fuck it, bro. I'm done. I'm done. Done. We are done here, guys. We are done for today. Look at this beautiful low resistance. The trade, whichever I have taken till now, are actually good trades, but they didn't play out actually. But it's fine. It's fine. We come back stronger next week. We did wipe out all some profits. Hmm. Another account is down 1,000 for today. That's fine. That's just profits what we made. We'll make it back on next week. I was bro fucked up, bro. I just wanted some another $1,000 to request a payout, but it's fine. We took three trades today, and three of them are loss. Not a ideal day for me to trade. Like, bro, just give me a second. I'll share it in server. Fuck it, bro. Just give me a second. People are asking that. Sorry. Yeah, don't worry. I know you're not him. Don't worry. Check it, guys. I posted it in general chat. You guys can check it there. You guys can just use the indicator from there. Okay, just go. Don't get scammed by the people. Let's use it from there. Equal highs will be cleared now, maybe. So even though this is a trade, so how are we gonna take this? Like negative or definitely not, bro. It is 1 to 1. What if you just start doing one to one using GST? Whatever. Okay, guys. Whatever. Fuck it. Bad Friday for us, and the whole. Yeah, yeah. It will definitely. If anyone wants script, just DM the guy. He will send you. He's telling that he's not gonna take money from you. So yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna change any strategy. It's just a market condition, I would say, because the trades, whatever I have taken, were solid. So even if you see here, this is actually a valid trade as well because of that low resistance liquidity down here. We inversed every single inversion from this leg. Who knows? Who would know that we are going to bounce from this or block, leaving these low resistance liquidity down here? So that's a pretty much bad day for us. And we even had a good tap here and change the state of delivery, and we didn't get a push. Again, that's a bad day. That's a bad thing. That's totally fine. It didn't even push to taking this low resistance liquidity. Even anyone would have entered here, they might have been targeting these low resistance liquidity as well. But bro, who the who the fuck is this guy, bro? Bro, like Sudarshan, you did. That's the reason why. Let me just fucking fuck that. Let me just remove that guy. Let me just do that. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Done. I will. You'll not see him. Yeah, pretty bad day for us. It's fine. बताओ भैया. I lost 1,000 today. I just totally fucked it up. Even I lost 1,000. It's straight 100 up. I gave back what the whole like the whole week I made, like whatever the whole week I made just in on Friday. I have to work on my psychology. That's what I personally feel. Yeah, I'll come, I'll come. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. That's it for today. We lost a couple of trades, three trades, maybe three. I just on 300, 350 on each of trades, and we almost hit our DD, but that's fine. We had a good drop there. Everything was planned well, but I was not expecting this deep pullback here. But yeah, that's fine. It's a part of game, and yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure to hit the subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. And take care. Bye bye.